Hi guys! Another day, another marine engineering lesson na naman tayo, and ngayong araw ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-assemble at mag-disassemble nitong bowl assembly natin, nitong purifier natin. Purifier nga pala natin is Alpha Laval P605. So let's go!
First, remove lock nut and safety device. Then, remove bowl hood. Next, unscrew lock ring by using the special tool. Then, remove gravity disc. And remove pairing chamber cover. Then, lift out inlet pipe with the pairing disc. Next, unscrew bowl hood by using the special compression tools. Next, take out bowl disc and distributor. Lift out sliding bottom bolt. Unscrew cap nut. Then, remove distributing ring by using lifting tool. Next, remove operating slide and lower distributing ring. Lastly, lift out bowl body by special lifting tool.
Follow for part 2.
Please subscribe, like and comment.